Michelle Guru from Cen-Trin, and welcome to our Woodford Gardens customizable dream home. This pre-sale property offers an enticing opportunity for clients to personalize their dream home with options to customize finishings, outside flooring, and paint colors. Buyers can create their ideal oasis. The property boasts of a private gated compound, 3 bedrooms with ensuite baths, a modern kitchen with quartz countertops, and prime location in Chaguanas, offering easy access to various amenities and transportation. For more information on this amazing 3-bedroom home, contact Cen-Trin Real Estate today.